Hi kids! Welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn a very easy letter. You see which letter is this? Yes, this is letter Q. This is capital Q and this is small q. Today we are going to do a letter practice how to write letter Q, the capital Q and small q. And we are going to write over here on our lines, and after that we are going to learn some words which are starting from letter Q. Very nice. And we will do the coloring in the pictures also. Very nice. It's going to be very fun. So before starting we are going to learn some colors. This is blue color. This is green color. This is purple color. This is brown color. This is sky blue color. This is pink color. This is orange color. This is red color. And this is yellow color. Very nice. So let's start the writing. So start from here. Just make a round big circle. Pick the pencil up and come back here and one slanting line. See? This is capital Q. Very nice. Capital Q. Now small q. Just make a one semicircle. Stop here. Pick the pencil up. Go back. Make a one straight line and here is one loop. Very nice. Small q. Capital Q, small q. So let's start writing on our lines. So here is a dot. Just make a round circle. Stop here. Pick the pencil up, come back on second line. So from here, make a one slanting line till here. Pick the pencil up. See, this is capital Q. And now write small q. Make a C or semicircle in two lines. Stop here. Pick the pencil up. Go back on second line and just go down. Touch the fourth line and make a loop. Very nice. Capital Q, small q. Now here we are going to write again. Make a circle in three lines. Stop here. Make a one slanting line. Stop here. See, capital Q and now write small q. Make a C or semicircle. Stop here. Go back on second line. Just go down. Touch the fourth line and make a loop. See, capital Q, small q. Capital Q, small q. And the sound is quack, quack, quack. Like duck is saying quack, 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 quack. Very nice. So we are going to write the words which are starting from letter Q. So can you guess this picture? Yes, this is queen. In queen, we are using purple color. See, we have done coloring in queen. So let's write the word. Read with me. Q U E E N queen. Q U E N queen. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is quarter. This is quarter. Quarter start from Q. Read with me. Q U A R T E R. Quarter. Q U A R T E R. Quarter. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is quilt. This is quilt. In quilt, we are using green color. Read with me. Q U I L T quilt. Q U I L T quilt. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is question mark. This is question mark. In question mark, we are using orange color. Read with me. Q U E S T I O N M A R K. Question mark. Q U E S T I O N. Question M A R K. Question mark. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is quill. In quill, we are using pink color. Read with me. Q U I L L quill. Q U I L L quill. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is a sign of quiet. quiet. Quiet start for Q. Read with me. Q U I E T. Quiet. Q U I E T. Quiet. Very nice. So we have learned so many words today which are starting from letter Q. Very nice. So let's repeat it again. Q for queen, Q for quarter, Q for quilt, Q for question mark, Q for quill, Q for quiet. This is capital Q and this is small q. And the sound is quack, 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 quack. Very nice. Read with me. Q U E N. Queen. Q U E N. Q U A R T E R. Quarter. Q U I L T. Quilt. Q U I L T. Quilt. Q U I L quill. Q U I L Q. Q U I E T. Quiet. Q U I E T. Quiet. Q U E S T I O N. Question. MARK. Mark. Question mark. Q U E S T I O N. Question. MARK. Question mark. Very nice. So we have learned the words which are starting from letter Q, and we learned how to write capital Q and small q, and the sound is quack, 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 quack. Very nice. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.